Welcome to Wizert.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Identify the coordinates of the center of the circle below. So this circle center, we have to identify the coordinates. Now let's put a perpendicular from this center to x-axis. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. So when we put perpendicular on x-axis, we get coordinate as -1, 0. When we put perpendicular from center to x-axis, we get x coordinate as -1. And similarly, when we put perpendicular from this center to y-axis, we get y coordinate, and that is between 2 and 4. So exactly in between 2 and 4, so that is 3. When we put perpendicular from center to y-axis, we get y coordinate as 3. So as a whole, coordinates of that particular center, therefore coordinates of center are combination of -1 and 3. So that is, let's name it as C, C -1, 3. So let's see. Yes, I have named it as C. So -1, 3. So answer is option B, -1, 3.